Hi, my name is Wumi. Welcome to my further mathematics online teaching class. In my video right now, I'm taking indices, and the topic I'm taking right now is exponential equation. The question says solve the exponential equations 5 raised to power 2x minus 26 open bracket 5 raised to power x close bracket plus 25 equals to 0. Solution. Now, in this equation, I'm going to rewrite this equation by saying 5 raised to power x, then raised to power 2 minus 26 open bracket 5 raised to power x close bracket plus 25 equals to 0. Now, the next step I'm going to take is that I will select 5 raised to power x to be equals to p. So anywhere I see 5 raised to power x, I'm going to fix p. So this will now be p, this 5 raised to power, that's p raised to power 2 minus 26p plus 25 equals to 0. This equation is a quadratic equation. Then what I'm going to do, I've done a lot of videos on quadratic equations. So it's going to be, we are going to multiply p square by 25. So it's going to be 25p square. Then here is plus. We are not going to look for two factors that if we add it together or subtract it together, it's going to give us the middle answer, that's minus 26. And the two equation is minus p and minus 25p. Minus p times minus 25p will give us, minus times minus will give us plus. Then p times 25p will give us 25p squared. Then if we say that minus p minus 25p, it will give us the middle value, that's minus 26p. So this is the equation we are going to use. So we are now going to substitute minus p minus 25p in place of the middle value minus 26p. So it's going to be p squared, then minus p, then minus 25p plus 25 to be equals to 0. So we are going to fix this in a bracket so that we can check what is common here. What is common in this equation is p. So we are going to write it out. Open bracket, p squared divided by p will be left with p, minus p divided by p is 1. We close our bracket. Then we'll fix our minus. Then what is common in 25p and 25 is 25. So we'll write it out by writing our 25, open bracket, 25p divided by 25, we have p. Then minus times plus is minus. Then 25 divided by 25 is 1. So close our bracket equals to 0. So since the value in the bracket is the same, it shows that we are very correct. So we'll write out the outside value to be p minus 25, close bracket, then p minus 1, we'll pick 1, equals to 0. So it's going to be p equals to p minus 25 equals to 0, then p minus 1 equals to 0. So p will be equals to, when minus 25 cross, is going to be 25, or p equals to, when minus 1 cross, is going to be 1. Then let's recall that we said that we should allow our 5 raised to power x equals to p. So we'll come back to this equation by picking, whenever we see p, we are going to put 5 over x. So it's going to be 5 raised to power x to be equals to 25, or 5 raised to power x equals to 1. Then this one is 5 raised to power x to be equals to, we should remember our indices. 5 means 5 raised to power 2, Or here we are having 5 raised to power x equals to 5 anything raised to power, this one means 5 raised to power 0, because anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So 5 will cancel out 5, x will be equals to 2, or 5 will cancel out 5, x will be equals to 0. So therefore x equals to 2 or 0. Final answer. So that's the equation on exponential equation. That's the solution on exponential equations. We still have more questions to treat on indices and logarithm. So kindly click on the subscribe button and on the bell button so that when I release video on that, you are going to see the notification. Thank you.